This is a birria quesadilla. Let's jump right into it. First up, we are going to marinate and heavily season a chuck roast. After a few hours, we'll get it into an Instant Pot to sear. Get some color, then we're going to make the broth. Don't worry, guys, I'm going to leave this recipe right in the comments after I figure out how to get this pressure cooker lid on. There we go. This will pressure cook for about 45 minutes, and then we are going to make our cheese blend in the meantime. Shred your cheese and mix in with a little chopped cilantro. Let's go check on that birria. Heads up for that. Then we'll move on to pulling the meat out of the braise. It looks incredible. It's quesadilla time. Let's dip our flour tortilla into that braising liquid and throw it on the griddle. Lots and lots of cheese, and then we'll add some of that shredded, beautiful, tender birria meat. Can we just take a moment? We'll dip the lid as well, add it to the top, and then I'm going to put the onions and cilantro in like I've seen on social media. At this point, my mouth is like Niagara Falls. We are going to flip this over, get it super crispy. We'll portion this up, cutting it into fours, and that is it. It's time to enjoy it, and we got it all at Tops Friendly Markets.